What if I tell you that you can make fully working Amazon affiliate website tonight without even writing a single line of code? Well, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI to make you that Amazon affiliate website tonight. So first thing we need to do, we need to find an idea for our Amazon affiliate website. Now for that, we will come here on ChatGPT and we will give it this prompt and simply press enter. And now ChatGPT will suggest us some of Amazon affiliate websites that we can make. So here you can see it already gave us some ideas. For example, what should I buy quiz, gift finder, affiliate product matcher, side hustle finder, and so on and so on. Now this is actually interesting for me, gift finder AI. So what I can do, I can actually make a website that will suggest wedding gift, because currently it is a wedding season and many people have a dilemma what to buy for a wedding gift, for a wedding present. So I can help them by suggesting some gifts. So what I need to do next, I need to see, does this niche actually has a potential? So what I can do, I can simply go here on Google Keyword Planner. And then I can click here, get search volume and forecasts. And I can paste my keyword here, wedding gift. And then I can click here, get started. And here you can see wedding gift in United States has between 10,000 and 100,000 searches every month. Now that is a good search volume. The competition is high. But don't worry, we can simply go back here, we can click here on discover new keywords, and we will use exactly the same keyword, wedding gifts, United States. Click here, get results, and here we can find more related keywords for this keyword, wedding gifts. And here you can see 50th wedding anniversary gift between 10,000 and 100,000 searches, 3-month change, 900% increase. Now that is actually good. So we need to also check on Pinterest keywords too, because we will most likely use Pinterest to promote our Amazon affiliate website. So when I go here you can see wedding gift ideas, more than 5 million searches on Pinterest. Here you can see wedding gifts for guests between 1 and 2 million. And here you can see there is lots of related keywords and there is a big search volume on Pinterest, which means this is really, really popular on Pinterest and I can get a lots of traffic from Pinterest. So next thing I need to do, I need to see, are there any good products that I can promote in this niche? So I will go here on Amazon and then here I will simply search for wedding gift. And here you can see Amazon already suggests keywords that people are searching. Wedding gifts for couples 2026, wedding gift bag, wedding gift wrap, and so on and so on. But I will simply search for wedding gift, and here I can see there is a lots of good products. Look at this, 1,200 reviews. Now that is a lots of reviews. Here we can see 588 reviews, 208 reviews, and so on and so on, which means there is a lots of good products in this niche that I can actually promote and make money. So next thing I need to do, I actually need to make a website, my Amazon affiliate website. Now for that, we are going to use Claude AI. And I will give it this prompt. When I click here you can see this is a long and rather detailed prompt. That is exactly what you need to do. You need to tell Claude AI exactly what you wish and exactly how this website should look and what exactly this website will do. This is how it looks, and all I have to do now is just press enter and Claude AI will make this website. Okay, Claude AI finished, and when I click here I can see how this website looks. Give it a second, and here you can see find the perfect wedding gift in seconds. And here you can see find my perfect gift. Now here I need to add some image. Now you will need to do some things. Claude AI will not do exactly everything, but you can also tell Claude AI to use Canva to add this image here, okay? Here you can see creative wedding gift categories. Now you can suggest some gifts to the people who visit your website, or simply you can suggest them to use the quiz to find a gift, perfect gifts for their friends who are just getting married. Let's say this one, and here you can see how this website looks. It actually looks really, really good. Now, I told Claude AI to make me a website that will automatically search for Amazon and find wedding gifts products on Amazon, and also automatically add my Amazon affiliate links. Now, to do that, you will need Amazon Creators API. Now, for that, you can go here on Amazon Associates, and here you can get more information. What are the conditions to get that API, and also how to get that API. Now here you can see some of the conditions: be enrolled in Amazon Associate programs for your targeted marketplace, have at least 10 qualified sales within the past 30 days, and so on and so on. And here you can see what documentations and what all and other things that you need in order to get this API. Now I have to say, it's not that easy to get this API, but if you get this API, you will make automatic website that will do everything automatically. You just need to drive traffic. Now, if you cannot get Amazon Creators API, what you can do is you can simply tell Claude AI to make you a website that will search internet to find the best ideas, and then you will add your Amazon affiliate links manually to those products, okay? Like I said, it is much easier if you can get Amazon Creators API, because then everything will be done automatically. So all you have to do after that, you just need to simply download this. Now, if you get your API and if you don't know how to add that API, you can simply tell Claude AI to add that Amazon API to this website, and just update this index, server, and README files, and you will add that Amazon Creators API to your website. Now, all you have to do after that, you just need to download this file, and you need to install them on your web hosting, and you will launch your website, and that's it. All you have to do after that, you just need to start driving traffic to that website, your Amazon affiliate website. As we saw when we go here on Pinterest keyword finder, here you can see that these wedding gifts ideas and wedding gifts in general are really, really popular on Pinterest. And when we go here on Pinterest and when we search, for example, wedding gift, and here you can see even more keywords, and you can target all of these keywords here by making pins for all of these keywords here. And when I press enter, here I can see the wedding gifts ideas, and look at this, competition is actually strong, 8,000 likes, almost 6,000 likes, and here you can see but 87 likes, 56,672 likes. Now this pin here probably brought a lots of traffic to this website here that is promoting this wedding gift. So you can get a lots of traffic from Pinterest to your Amazon affiliate store totally free. And this is what I would do. I would actually make a website, a blog, where I would write different kind of articles targeting all of these keywords here that Pinterest suggests for me, and also target these keywords here that Pinterest suggested for me. And I would optimize my pins to rank as high as possible on Pinterest. And you need to install Sort Pin to check out your competition. Here you can see Sort Pin will tell you exactly how many likes, how many reactions, how many comments, repins, and other stuff your competitors' pins are getting, so you know what you need to do. And like I said, here you can see 9,000 likes, 2,900 likes, 10,000 likes. So these pins are driving a lots of traffic to the people who actually shared these pins. And imagine how much money you can actually make by driving free traffic from Pinterest, but also from Instagram, from TikTok, from Reddit, from related forums, from Facebook, to your Amazon affiliate website totally free. As you saw, Claude AI can make that website in matter of minutes, and you can launch that website also in matter of minutes. Now, it's not that easy, it's not exactly beginner friendly, but you can make this website, okay? So this is how you make money with Amazon affiliate marketing and Claude AI. That's it for today, guys. If you wish to see more ways to make money online, make sure to subscribe to my channel, and also don't forget to like this video. And also on your right side you can see more videos that you can watch on YouTube that may help you to make money online.